Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Eachine EV goggles model EV800D. So let's take a look inside. So we have the goggles. Cables, instruction, antennas, and power supply. To do some tests we also need a micro SD card if you want to record some photos and videos, and FPV camera. So I have the mobile robot with FPV camera. So firstly let's connect the antennas. Take a look on the box. On the right side is this antenna. On the left side, this one. I will show you also another nice feature. So I can take it off. Now use it as a FPV monitor. So now let's check how it works in practice. I will turn on the mobile robot with FPV camera. And now press power on button. To find the FPV channel that is transmitting the data, you should press the search button. Here we go. Let's record some video. First we need to insert micro SD card. Then power on. Let's take a look to the instruction. So if you want to record the video, you need to long press to start recording the video and then short press to save it. So long press the record button. We can see the red dot is blinking. And now short press to stop the video recording.